Customer states my AC hasn't worked in a while. Old reliable, I know a lot of you love these engines. AC request is on, and no compressor engagement. Put 12-volt check and we are good. Capacity is good and still no engagement. Let's fix it. I know you guys love just replacing the receiver dryer only. But not me. May seem like nonsense, but torquing the lines is definitely worth doing. Even the compressor and alternator mounting bolts are only 16 ft-pound. Another must-do on every service is changing the valves. I still need an analog thermometer, sorry. Ready to go. Never forget to have the radio code before removing a Honda battery.